Going to make some beautiful ladies more beautiful. So if you're new here, my name is Ijoma. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, welcome back, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Click it now, like, share and subscribe. So let's head out this morning to make some mama and daughter look cute. Yeah, so it's currently to 6 by now, but woke up since, getting ready, prepping, packing and the rest, and we're almost done. So maybe we'll just eat, finish up our packing, and when we're heading out, I'm going to carry you guys along because it's going to be a fun day. Yeah, a fun day. Work and fun day. So yes, stay tuned because I know you're going to enjoy this amazing vlog. Is it vlog / tutorial? You know you must get value for any of my videos. Yes, you must. So that's the more reason why you should click that subscribe button, like, drop a comment section. Please support your girl and let's grow this our amazing family. So see you. Let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready, mama? Are you ready? Okay. Out. You ready to head out? Yeah, we're ready. It's currently past 8 and we're still here waiting for our ride. Yeah, that's the situation. We're supposed to be there now, but we're still here waiting for our ride. Hopefully it will be here soon and we get to head out, hopefully. But I'll keep you updated when the ride is here. Yeah, yeah, I hate waiting. Well, it's part of life. So now we're finally here. We're here. So yes, just getting used to my client, and she was telling me what she wanted. You know, the top alpha clients, don't joke with them. They're very specific, and they don't have filter. They're going to tell you who her. So, but guess what? Why is my other alpha assistant chilling? You know, like she came on a vacation, you know, doing a tour. They were giving her a home tour and she was just looking around and playing. Like, how do they do it? This generation. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. No, I need to stamp your feet. Oh, stamp your feet. Hold on. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray. Hooray. No need to cry. Hold on. 1. Let's go. 2. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to shake. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your hands. So rule number 1, if you want to make a kid's hair, like when you have an alpha client, because they're very specific, they're then going to tell you if they like the hair or not, you have to be an entertainer. Like you have to come correct, you have to compare because they're going to drag you. Like you have to negotiate, play through, you understand, seek consent and everything. It's no easy. Then a few minutes, my assistant came to me that she was tired from all the whole touring and looking around and having fun, and I had to carry her for her to sleep. Like, what kind of assistant am I dealing with? Like, make it make sense. Make it make sense. She had to have her nap, and like, you know, that she has a paid break. She's insisting on her paid break. Are we being serious when the workload is that much? Our generation cannot relate because we would have worked late to get the job done. You understand? Forfeited our break to get this job done. But no! Gen Z self is learning where this alpha wants. I should be like, no. I have my 1 hour paid break and I'm going to take it. And I'm like, you have 1 hour? Are you serious right now? And she really took her paid break. Like, you can imagine when you're drowning with work and you're, you know, seeking for help, and you know, she's like, I'm out of here, I'm coming, see you in an hour. Like, hey, wahala. So this is us still dealing with another alpha generation, and she's here looking at the mirror, checking the hair, critiquing everything. Like, wow, this is a tough client base, my sisters. Like, look at her chilling. I can't even believe this. Now, let's head over to finishing what we started with this our beautiful client. Like, she's still inspecting in the mirror, and of course, the one and only, the true Miss Rachel came through. So we had to, do Netflix and chill, just for her to calm her nerves and relax. Because this appointment is not an easy one. Imagine dealing with an alpha assistant and also an alpha client. Like, it was very chaotic, but we thank God that it turned out nice. And why is it that this small madams, like when you're doing their hair, they're screaming down, they're shouting, like, I'm tired, I don't want this, I want water, I want to pee 100 times. And once you're done, they run straight to the mirror and they're shaking their head, they're swinging it left, right, and center, and they're over the moon. Eh? The shakara will now pass them. Like, this is just rounding up the hair, and she's already selecting the color of her beads that she wants. Like, you can't tell her nothing. She knows she ate. Like, you can't tell me, she ate down, and she's like, yeah, I love it. She's selecting the beads. Now, our assistant is back, and she's doing, quality control, checking out things, making sure everything is going well and good. And when she did small work, she never even did up to another 1 hour of the 1 hour rest she has had. She went back to her chilling and cruising, and that was all we saw of our supervisor, our alpha supervisor. She went on her way to go chill again, and the other one was being entertained. You see what I said? She has left us to go chill. Now we moved over to the mama. Yeah, let me work with the generation I can understand. Please, thank you, Jesus. Like, I'm done with that. Let me work with this generation. Now we went over to her hair. She has a virgin and natural hair, so we had to, like, comb it out. Plus, she has a tender scalp, so we still had to hot comb through the pattern, so it doesn't hurt that much. And yeah, we got it moving, we got it pushing. Our alpha client disappeared. She was over the moon, checking herself out, hyping herself up. You get the feeling. And then our assistant is like, I'm done with this. It's way past my pay, my pay, my payroll. Like, I'm done with this job. Like, this is closing hours. I'm done for the day. I'm chilling. Like, I'm not doing this with you again. So they had to go on, but just to keep them happy, we had to be subjected to watching cartoons over and over and over and over again. What happened? Are you people not tired? Eh? Next minute she's like, oh, I should make a video of her hair. She was like, I need the video evidence. Like, I need you to make a video of the back, so I can see, I know that everything is uniform, everything came out the way it's supposed to be. And this is me obeying the instruction. You see how she's sitting pretty, chilling and waiting for this video, because she came back to me and like, let me see the video. Like, I don't like this one. I love this one. This looks good. And after that, she's like, yeah, I love it. It looks good. So if they don't like it, best believe these are the ones that are going to give you the bloodiest review, because they don't care. They do not care. Like, now you see your madam came to defend herself. Why is she here? So we're back to mama's hair. We're back to the generation we can relate with. And as you can see, you cannot find my assistant anywhere, because she's already packed her bag. She's turned off her system. She's close to work, and you're like, I'm ready to go when you are. Like, I'm just catching a ride with you. It's not like, if not, I would have left you here. And this was also, imagine we're rushing here just so that we can drop her and until will not sue us. Yes, that is what we're doing here. So we just had to rush, trim the hair, get it in coils. And these are other clients. See them here, standing here and supervising their elders, standing and supervising and questioning the heck out of us. Eh? How? Like, what the heck? Like, these kids mean business. You see that generation, they mean business. I'm done is I'm done. Stop is stop. Go is go. Like, standing there and supervising and asking how long it's going to take and the rest. So, let's believe you have to keep it pushing. You have to keep it fast, because these ones are done. Are like, now we're done for the day, and everybody should be done for the day. Now, our Shakara clients came again. to come and check her look. She's like, yeah, style it into pigtails. Yeah, she's smiling like, do you like it? Yeah.
Turn around, spin
Best
around,
believe if she
spin.
doesn't like it, she's going to tell you, do nothing.
Do you like your
She's
hair?
spinning. That's the spin of
It's
approval.
okay. She's
Yes.
okay.
When you've tried and they're telling you, yeah, you tried, that's the spin of approval. Any other thing, that's on you.
Now, look down.
Now, can you notice that my assistant is still nowhere to be found? So, true, her boss
There's
is
no
busy
video
going
to
through a hectic moment and she has closed for the day and just chilling somewhere, like waiting for you. Like, when you're done,
like
pack it
your
up and
hair.
let's go.
Do you like
Like,
it?
she's nowhere to be found. And then this one is subjecting me to videos upon videos upon videos. We even had to get a ring light. We had to get a ring light. Like, when you are not the one paying the bills and you have this amount of taste, look at that for there waiting at the door. That's to show you. So finally, we're done with Mama's hair. We couldn't film a lot because our alpha clients wanted the booking to be on her and it was about her. She's like, Mommy, you're the second option. I'm the real deal. So yeah, every other thing is you're gonna be stealing moments when I don't want the moments, but it's for the day and the moments I want it. So you're not going to have it. So we're done with Mama's hair, which
Don't
turned
start
out
it.
amazing. So if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, to get more of these amazing videos. And I'm sure you enjoyed it, and I'm sure you learned one or two on how to get your toddler moving and pushing throughout their hair appointments. Yeah. So she had a really nice time. Even my mom was like, "Oh, I'm surprised that she sat through all this." And yeah, we're doing the finishing touches, packing up our bag, and yeah, we're done with this. So immediately we finish this because our assistant is already sitting at the door and typing some letter to HR. You understand? Complaint. She has already changed her outfit. I'm like, I'm off my work clothes and the rest. Like, let's keep it pushing. Let's start going. We just had to pack up and go and tell the clients, God no more. So see you next time. So